friends, on this video how you can solve your internet problems. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first, if you want to solve your internet problem, suppose it's not working or your mobile data it's not working, any of the network, okay, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, every net it's not working, or only just internet it's not working, then you can just follow these steps. Okay, move on setting, then you have to scroll on the down, tap on general and management, again you have to scroll down, click on reset. Next, here you can see, you can just read this important notice, then tap on reset network setting and click on reset setting, then click on reset. Here your internet problem will be solved, okay, under this reset network setting. And if you want to know in more detail, then here just this will reset all network setting, including those for Wi-Fi problem, mobile data problem, Bluetooth problem, internet problem, network problem, any of the problems, okay, it will solve on your mobile phone. Okay, you just if you have problem in sim 1 or sim 2, you can check this sim 1 or this sim 2. Okay, if you have problem in sim 2, then just click on sim 2, and if you have problem in sim 1, then you just click on sim 1. Okay, then after that reset your network and your problem will be solved. Okay, and friends, if by doing this also it's not working, then do not forget to update your software. If you don't know how to update your software, then just search for the software. Here is the software information, then after that from here click on software information and you can just update. Okay, sorry, not software information, here's the software update, and you can update. Okay, so friends, this is how you can solve your internet problem on your Samsung Galaxy. And friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.